I just bought 445 shares of Novo Nordisk, 47.20 each, a total over 20,000. It's a big bet, but it's highly probable I will make money. If you want to know why, watch this video. I will show you not one, but 5 reasons that convinced me to buy Novo Nordisk stock last week. My name is Adri, I've been investing for 20 years. I share my opinion on YouTube for your benefit, but it's your money, your choice, your responsibility. So, Novo Nordisk, ticker NVO, price at the time of recording $48.26. I'm already up $450, but why did I invest in Novo? Let's start with the big reason, valuation. I'm convinced that right now, Novo's value is at least $80 a share, the price is just 48, so as soon as the mood changes, price will go up and I will make $32 on every share. Why am I convinced it's undervalued? Let me show you. It's an Adri Economics exclusive chart, price to 5 years forward earning power. Basically, we are comparing today's price with 2030 earnings. The lower the number, the cheaper the company. I invite every investor to use this mindset. The price of today compared to what you will gain in the future. As you can see, big names are right here, around 16, 17. Lots of big companies in this area. So we can say that this is the fair price in the current market. Where is Novo? Right here, around 9. Half the price compared to the market. As a reference, Novo's main competitor, Eli Lilly, is at 20. What will happen if Novo go from 9 to the fair value? The stock price will go up to $80. I hope you like my chart. Please comment, nice chart, Adri. I'm not a graphic designer and it takes me ages to make them. I need some encouragement. Please also consider that I don't want to sell you anything. I honestly just want to help. So I would really appreciate if you could click the like button and help me back. Second point, expectations. To make the chart, I had to forecast the most probable 5 years growth rate of each company. The market expectation of each company future. Not only Novo is cheap, but expectations are very low, just 5% growth. On the other hand, Eli Lilly costs more than double, even assuming 16% expected growth rate. What do you think? Who is more likely to beat expectation? Well, Novo has it way easier. It's like running 5 miles versus running 16 miles. You don't need to be a finance genius to understand that it will be easier for Novo. But wait, there is more. Both companies are in the same market. Diabetes and GLP-1 for weight loss. Huge market. 900 million obese humans. Investor believes Eli Lilly will grow faster because Lilly's big syringe, Zepbound, is currently more effective than Novo's big syringe, Wegovy. But guess what? Next year, Novo will launch the pill version with Weight Watcher and Costco ready to sell. Novo's pill will be very effective.
It's the first time that you have a pill where the efficacy of it is on par with the injectable. Usually you have to basically go for either convenience or efficacy when you're discussing pills versus injection. Not in this case. Wegovy in a pill basically will have the same efficacy as its injectable counterpart. That's really exciting.
So, starting next year, a huge market will open, and the bullish news is that Novo will probably have first mover advantage. They will launch the pill version 3 to 6 months before, and it also seems more effective than Lilly's. Now, let me ask you one more time. Do you think it's easier for Novo to beat 5% growth expectation or for Lilly to beat 16? Next bullish point, market psychology. When I invest, I think about the person on the opposite side of the trade. If I'm buying, there is someone selling to me. Why are they selling? Do they have fundamental reasons or are they selling in fear? Let's check the fundamentals. Revenue is up, debt situation sustainable, and the company is profitable. But Novo is full of bad media news that creates fear. The old CEO basically got fired in May, big crash. In September, Novo announced firing 9,000 people. In October, 6 board members stepped down. Novo lowered guidance 3 times in 2025, last one 10 days ago. Lawsuits for side effects. Donald Trump administration is forcing Lilly and Novo to slash weight loss drug prices. A lot of bearish sentiment. If we go back in history, Novo has never experienced such a downtrend and so many bad news since 1987. Clearly, right now the people are fearful of all this bad media coverage and they just want out, no matter the price. But I'm a contrarian investor. When others are fearful, I get greedy. Instead of panic selling, for a contrarian investor, now is the moment to buy. The market can be so irrational that even good news are presented as bad news. Have you followed the Metsera story? It's a company without revenue, developing another weight loss drug, not selling, just developing, years away from commercialization. Pfizer want to enter the weight loss market, so they decided to buy this company for 4 billion. By the way, presented with a render in their website. And Novo say, wait a second, I don't want Pfizer to enter my market, I'm going to pay more just to stop them. Bidding war. Novo says 6 billion for Metsera, Pfizer 8, Novo 9. Pfizer wins, ending up paying 10 billion instead of 4 for a drug under development not ready before 2029. To me, Novo's management finally did well. They made Pfizer pay 250% more for exactly the same result, a GLP-1 drug under development. But for the media, this is bad news. Pfizer beats out Novo Nordisk. Let's sell a bit more Novo in fear. I'm happy they didn't overpay and I would worry as a Pfizer investor. Last reason why I think Novo is a great investment. Healthcare is a defensive sector in case of a recession. Medicine are not a discretionary expense. Diabetic people will still need insulin even if the AI bubble pop. It's guaranteed that Novo will outperform tech in case of a market crash. There are some bonus bullish points like tariffs exemption or HIMSS begging Novo to sell the GLP-1 pill, but let's wrap it up. If you're holding Novo Nordisk stock already, let's go, well done, I like your stock taste. If you're not holding Novo Nordisk, what are you waiting for? Not financial advice, but the elements are all there. Extremely low valuation for a sector leader. Low future expectation with the Wegovy pill launching before Lilly's. Investors are panicking, but the revenue is growing and the company is profitable. Healthcare is a defensive sector. For all these reasons, the probability of making money with Novo is very, very high, but I always have an ethical dilemma investing in healthcare stocks. I believe the system is broken and healthcare should be a right, not a for-profit business. Do you really think that Big Pharma has our best interest in mind? Probably not. So I will be happy to see the system change, even if it would cost me money. But probably the world will stay the same, injustice will continue, and Novo shareholder will make tons of money. This is not the only stock I bought lately. Very different business model, way riskier, but also down 66%, Duolingo. If you want to know why I bought, check out this video. Thank you for watching until the end. Let me know your take on Novo, leave a comment below, like, subscribe. Thank you again. Peace out.